how to change song to any genre in Suno AI cover. So to change a song to any genre using Suno AI's cover feature, you need to follow this step. So go ahead and head over to Suno AI first, and then sign in to your account. So if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create an account. And then from here, head over to create. And then on the create tab, as you can see, you have the option to upload your audio in here. So click on audio and then click on upload. You can also record it directly in here. So you need to upload a voice memo, instrumental, or a fully produced track. You need to upload your song into this section. And then Suno will extract the melody and structure from your original song. Now after that, choose the cover option. And then after uploading, select the cover song option from the menu. This style Suno you want to reimagine the song in a different style. So in here, you just need to explain the changes that you want to be made for that song that you have uploaded. And then Suno offers a variety of genres like rock, jazz, EDM, classical, hip hop, and more. So pick the one you want, and the AI will adapt your song to that style while keeping the melody intact. Now, once the AI processes your song, you can preview the new version. If you like it, download or share it directly. And that is how you can basically change song to any genre in Suno AI cover.